Kamusta po mga kababayan? Magandang hapon. Kayo po ay nanonood ng kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang pang-araw-araw na produksyon para sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Amerika. This is your Kababayan Today, and my name is Janelle Sower. This afternoon, as I mentioned earlier, we'll meet two wonderful kababayans. One is a culinary escort, and she is promising to take us on orgasmic food trips. That's exciting. Also, an 11-year-old baker who will be, this is what I'm excited about, because she brought along some of her special dishes, special cakes and pastries, and I get to taste those. That's today on the show. But for now, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to some of the special things that are going on. You've heard me talk about Nalukai Jewelry, and yes, we are giving away necklaces from Nalukai Jewelry. You see it on your screen right now. This is our jewelry giveaway. There's two necklaces up for grabs. One says love, the other says stand strong in the wind. So we are looking for your stories of love and stories of standing strong in the wind. We collect those. We pick some of the best ones. We post it on our Facebook page, and you and your friends get to like those. The story with the most number of likes will win, and there will be two winners. One will win the love necklace for the love story, and the other will win the standing strong in the wind necklace for the standing strong in the wind story. And speaking of Hawaii, speaking of Nalukai, I will be in Hawaii. Make sure that you watch Kababayan Today for more of the details. But for now, you need to save the date. October 3rd is a press conference and the launch at the Philippine Consulate in Honolulu. And October 5, I will be at Philcom Center. I want to meet all of you, so please come out. Also, come out this weekend, especially if you are in Southern California. On Sunday, I will be at the LA18 Harvest Moon Festival. It should be fun. There's a lot of areas. If you have kids, this is a family thing. We have a kiddie area as well. We have a celebrity that will be performing. She's bright and beautiful and tall and gorgeous, flying in straight from Taiwan. Also, we are giving away a brand new car and some cash prizes. I will be emceeing, so I will be on stage from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. But I still hope to meet all of you, so come out, and if you're there, make sure you say hi to us on Kababayan Today. Also, there's a movie that's going to be screening. It's a proudly Philippine-made movie with Philippine actors. It's going to be screening here in the U.S. Watch this.
Kaya mo ba ginagawa ko?
Kumusta si Daniel? Siguraduhin mong handa siya dahil ayaw kong mapahiya.
Siyempre natuto mo sa'yo. Nagtiwala ako sa inyo dahil nire-respeto ko kayo. Yung pala ganito lang gagawin niyo sa akin. Dadawit niyo ako sa kalokohan niyo.
On the job. Papalag ka ba?
Yes, that is screening all over Southern California in different cinemas and theaters. Log on to their website so you know the screening schedule. That's the website on the screen. This is directed by Eric Mati, and I must admit, ever since I was still in the Philippines, napakalaking fan na po ako ni Direct Eric Mati. Very, very talented director. Also, this is a powerful cast with Joel Torre, Piolo Pascual, Michael De Mesa, and all that. And that will be airing all over Southern California. Direct Mati is going to be here on Kababayan Today on Wednesday next week. So make sure you catch that in our interview as well. Mas marami pa po tayong pag-uusapan at makikilala sa pagbabalik ng Kababayan Today. Don't go away.